number 1540 is a 2001 Sterling dump truck. As you can see, I lifted up the dump bed as high as it can go. The hydraulic cylinders look good. It's got a Cummins engine, which sounds great. It's been running for over 40 minutes at idle. The AC is not blowing cold, not. The cab is in decent shape. I'm going to show you what I see up close. All right, first of all, the paint is faded. I noticed that the fiberglass on the fender is cracked. There's a piece missing. The tires have thread and they hold air. They look pretty good, all 6 of them. The chassis is in good shape. The hydraulic cylinders look good. The dump body has rust. There's some spots that are worse than others. On the corners, like right here, you can see it's rusted. The body has a lot of dents and scratches and surface rust. And it has a mesh bar which is bent on top. I don't know if it works or not. But the hydraulics look good. I'm going to show you the inside. Let me show you the front first. Here, the grill, where the headlight is cracked. The grill is cracked, but the body is straight. The rest of the fiberglass looks good. The front bumper has surface rust. The tires look good. The cab is in good shape. Look at the back. The cab looks good. The chassis is solid. All right, so let me show you the inside. Let me show you the engine first. The engine has a Cummins. I see moisture around the engine. See that moisture right by the fan? The motor sounds good, but I do see moisture. Sounds great. All right, let me show you the rest of the truck. Inside, the driver's seat is good. The passenger side seat is good. The dash is good. It's got an Allison transmission. It's got the PTO, which works. I got the blower right here to bring it down. This one has cruise control. It's got 160,000 miles. Wait, no, sorry. 16,018 hours. I'm going to give you the mileage now. The mileage is 142,030. All right, now let me rev it up for you. Motor sounds great. All right, the door panel right here is separating on the driver's side. The passenger side looks good. All right, I'm going to bring this dump body down right now since I got you on video here. All right, it's coming down slowly but surely. It goes up faster than what it comes down. All right, you see it? All right, there she comes. All right, come on. Coming down. I gotta hold it, but if not, it won't come down. Alright, she went up better than when she goes down. Alright, there she comes. Coming down. Alrighty. There we go. Alright, all the way down. All right, that's pretty much it. Good work, truck. Good luck.